Let us see 12.1 question number 2. So what is there in the question? The triangular side wall of a flyover have been used for advertisement. You must have seen advertisement posters on road, somehow on the walls they pasted like that. So you know what, here we are having a flyover, and this flyover is having two triangular sides. You can see in the figure clearly 12.9, this figure, these two triangular side walls are there. Okay, so if I draw the triangular, I'm not going to draw the whole flyover, I will be just drawing the triangular side wall. It is like that. Okay, so what it is saying, that the sides are 22 meter, 122 meter and 120 meter. So the sides of this one, 122 meter, 22 meter, no, it's 20, yes, 22 meter and 120 meter, 120 meter. Okay, we are having two walls of this kind, two triangular walls are there, and some advertisement company wants to means यहाँ पे देखो इसको ना, see they want to advertise on these walls. Okay, they want to advertise on these walls, and the rate of advertisement is rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. Okay, एक साल के लिए उनको 5,000 for per meter square. So first thing is we should know how much area we are having for these walls. Suppose this advertisement company is hiring one of the walls, because it is written a company hired one of its wall for 3 months, only for 3 months they are hiring. So suppose one of the wall they are hiring, so first thing is we should know the area of the wall. How we are going to find the area? We know the formula, Heron's formula we will be using. So to find for area, we will be finding the S. You know what is S?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Semi-perimeter.
yes, it's semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divided by 2, correct. So that means if I am taking one of the side as A, one of the side as B, one of the side as C, that means it will be 120 plus 22 plus 122 divided by 2. So how much we are getting this S?
264.
So it will be 120, 120, 240, 260, 264 divided by 2. Okay, so we are getting this thing as 264 divided by 2. It will be 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. So we are getting 132 meter. This is what? This is semi perimeter. That means half of the perimeter. I already told you in last class about these things, how to find semi perimeter, what is perimeter. Okay, so semi perimeter is what? A plus B plus C divided by 2, that we are having 132. Now we can find the area. Area, you know how to find the area by using Heron's formula. So anyone tell me how to find? We can find the area by using the Heron's formula. It is area of triangle, that is S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, this is the most easiest chapter. You know what, just if you know all the sides of a triangle, you can easily calculate by using Heron's formula. So just put the value of S, it is 132, then 132 minus what we are having as A, it is 120, then 132 minus B, we are having 22, then 132 minus C, what we are having 122. Okay, so we will be writing these things. It will be 132 multiply 132 minus 12, it will be 12.
10.
Okay, 120, it will be 12. 132 minus 22, 110. Then 132 minus 122, it will be 10.
10,
Okay,
sir.
now we will be doing the prime factors. You know why to do the prime factors? मैंने बताया था prime factors क्यों करना है, because we have to make the pairs, है ना, pairs बनाने हैं तो prime factors. For every number we will be doing the prime factors. तो अगर मैं 132 का prime factor करता हूँ for 132, 2 6 जा 12, 2 6 जा 12, 2 3 जा 6, 2 3 जा 6, 3 1 जा 3, 3 1 जा 3, then 11 1 जा 11. So in place of 132, 132 की जगह पे मैं क्या लिखने वाला हूँ? इट विल बी 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11. देन इन प्लेस ऑफ 12, 12 का प्राइम फैक्टर करोगे,
2 into 2 into 3.
yes, 2 6 जा, 2 3 जा, 3 1 जा, so it will be 2 into 2 into 3. Then in place of this 11, 110, see 110 को ना you can write like 11 into 10 also. Why I am writing? Because I am having one more 10 here, so I can pair that 10 with this 10. So see, for this 110 I am writing 11 into 10, and then I will write this 10 as it is. Now just see, these two are forming pair. So now the next step we will be doing is we will write outside the root that numbers are forming pair. Okay, जिनके pair बनते हैं we will be writing like this 2. This 2 is forming pair with this one, so we will write 1. Then this 3 is forming pair with this 3, so I will write this 3. Then this 11 is forming pair with this 11, so I will write 11. Then this 2 is forming pair with this 2, so we will write 2. Then this 10 is forming also pair, so we will write 10. So are we left with anything inside the root? क्या root के अंदर कुछ बचा?
No, sir.
No, we are not
No,
left,
sir.
because
No,
every number inside the root is forming pair, है ना? So that means we are not left with anything, so we will not write root लिखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, we will just multiply these things. So it will be 2 3 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 12 into 11 132, so it will be 1320 meter square. So that means what? That means the company is hiring this wall. See, this is the wall hired by the company, and you know what? This wall is having the area 1320 meter square. Now just see one thing. If they are hiring this wall for 12 months, see, for 1 year, you can see in the question, per year they have to pay 5000 per meter square. Okay, see, 1 meter square के लिए 5000 पे करना है. For 1 meter square they will pay 5000, but how much they are having? They are having 1320. So if for 1 meter square for 1 year, 1 year means 12 months, for 1 meter square for 1 year you have to pay rupees 5000. Okay, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए 1 साल के लिए 5000. 1 ईयर का मतलब होता है 12 मंथ्स, बट फॉर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर फॉर 1 मंथ, 1 मंथ के लिए कितना पे करेंगे? इट विल बी 5000 डिवाइडेड बाय 12. वाई?
12, sir.
Because for 12 months they are paying 5000 na. So for 1 month they will be paying 5000 by 12. Then for how many months they are hiring the wall? कितने months के लिए hire कर रहे हैं? Just see the
3
question.
months.
They are
3
hiring
months.
for 3 months. Okay, so that means if I will be writing for 1 meter square for 3 months, for 3 months it will be 5000 divided by 12 multiply by 3. So it will be 3 4 जा 12, then 4 से इसको कैंसिल करेंगे, 4 1 जा 4 2 जा 1250 we are getting rupees 1250. That means see, देखो ये ध्यान से देखो, अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया है, if the area is 1 meter square and they are hiring for 3 months, they need to pay 1250. But how much area they are having? They are having 1320 meter square area. So for that much area, how much they will be paying? For 1320 meter square. इसके लिए कितना पे करेंगे? 1320 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1250. वाई? सी, बिकॉज फॉर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए कितना है? 1250. सो फॉर 1320 meter square it will be multiplied by this, and when you will multiply this one, now 132 multiply by 125, how much you are going to get? 5 to the 10.
16.
Has anyone done the multiplication?
16
Yes,
lakh
sir.
50,000.
16 lakh
50,000.
50,000. Okay, so 1 6 and this one. yes, 16,50,000 rupees. So that much, 60,50,000 rupees. So that much they will be paying for this wall if they want to hire it for for 3 months. 3 months के लिए अगर वो हायर करते हैं, यू नो वट, तुम लोग सोचते होंगे कि ये जो रोड पे लगा देते हैं ना बैनर्स, ये कभी फ्री में नहीं लगते. फॉर दैट द एडवर्टीजमेंट कंपनी हैज़ टू पे किसको किया जाता है, टू द MCDs और टू द डिपार्टमेंट हु इज ओइंग द वॉल, उनको पे किया जाता है. सो यू कैन सी इफ दे आर पोस्टिंग देयर बैनर ऑन दिस वन ना, अगर वो अपना बैनर इस एरिया पे लगाते हैं, दे विल बी पेइंग 16,50,000 रुपीज ओनली फॉर 3 मंथ्स. 3 मंथ्स के लिए उनको इतने रुपए पे करने पड़ेंगे. सो ये चीज़ें फ्री में नहीं लगती. एंड यू शुड नो हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द अमाउंट. ओके, लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. So what is there in question number 5? Sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540. Okay, so we are given with the ratio of the sides of a triangle. Ratio of the sides of a triangle, that is 12, 17, 25. And also we are given with the perimeter. So what is the perimeter we are given with? It is 540 centimeter or meter. It is centimeter, correct. And we need to find the area of the triangle. Okay, देखो, if you are given with the ratio of the sides, just draw a triangle. Suppose this is the triangle we are having, okay, this one, and let us name it as A, B, C. Now the ratio of the sides is given, so we will assume, okay, let us assume the sides, suppose this side I am taking as A, this one as B, and this one as C. So that means A equal to, I will be assuming it as 12x, B equal to 17x, and C equal to 25x. Sorry, it will be 25. Okay, why we are assuming these as like this? You know, whenever we are given with something in ratio, we can take any variable with the same variable with the numbers. Like if this is 12:17, we can take 12x, 17x. Why we are taking? Because if we will be finding the ratio, then ना, देखो, अगर मैं A और B का ratio find out करूँगा, it will be 12x upon 17x. So this x will cancel out. That means we can take, हम कोई भी एक वेरिएबल ले सकते हैं whenever we are given with the ratios of anything. Okay, so you can take any variable. That is what I have taken. So now just see one thing, you are given with perimeter of the triangle also. So for perimeter of triangle, you know the formula. Perimeter of triangle, what is the formula? It is A plus B plus C. Okay, that means the sum of all sides, no? For perimeter of triangle, you will be doing what? The sum of the all side. That means A plus B plus C. After adding all the three sides, you will be getting what? Perimeter. So what is A here? यहाँ पे A क्या है? It is 12x. Plus what is B here? It is 17x. Plus what is C? It is 25x. And then it is equal to, perimeter is given to you already, it is given 540. That means if I will be adding all the three sides, it will be coming equal to 540. Then add this 12, 17 and 25, how much you are getting?
54x, sir.
Okay, you are getting 54x equal to 540. Then you can cancel it out, 54 1 ja and 54 10 ja. So you are getting your x equal to 10. X की वैल्यू कितनी आई है? It is 10. So now you can find your ABC. ABC find out कर सकते हो easily. That means your A will be 12 multiplied by this x.
120.
It will be 120. Then B will be 17 multiplied by 10. It will be 170. Then C will be 250. So now we are having the three sides of the triangle. हमारे पास तीनों side हैं this for this triangle. So we can find the semi perimeter. Let us find semi perimeter S. So semi perimeter will be, It will be, see, perimeter we are already given with, perimeter दिया हुआ है, so we can do half of that one only. So semi perimeter, that means S, it will be equal to how much? 270. Okay, there is no need to do A plus B plus C divided by 2. We are given with the perimeter. Perimeter का half ही होता है ना. So it will be S equal to 270 centimeter. So if we need to find the area of triangle, we will be using the formula under root S, S minus A, S minus B, same formula. So it will be 270, then 270 minus A is what? 120, then 270 minus B is what? 170, then 270 minus C is what? 250. Okay, so let us calculate. It will be 270 multiply by 270 minus 120, how much we are getting? 150, then 100, then 20. Okay, now you know we have to do the prime factorization also, but before that ना we will do one thing. देखो थोड़ा सा simple करने का method होता है. This is 270, so write it as 27 multiply by 10. This is 150, write it as 150 multiply, 15 multiply by 10. You can write 150 is what? 15 multiply by 10. Then 100, write it as 10 into 10. Then this 20, write it as 2 into
10 into 2.
10. Okay, now just form the pairs of 10 first. पहले ना 10 के pairs बना देते हैं. Okay, I am doing on the right side. This 10 and this 10 are forming pair, so we will write outside the root. Then this 10 and this 10 are forming pair, we will write outside the root, under root. Now what we are left with? We are left with 27, 15 and 2 and this 10. These are the things we are left with. Now for these we will be doing prime factors. So 10 into 10 it will be 100, then under root. For 27 you will be writing 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, then for 15 you will be writing 3 into 5. These 2 you will write same. Then for this 10 you will be writing 2 into 5. Okay, so now 100. Now just see, this 3 is forming pair with the 3, so we will write 3. Then this 3 is forming pair with this one, so we will write 3. This 5 is forming pair with this one, we will write 5. This 2 is forming pair with this one, we will write 2. So that means we are having everything outside the root. There is nothing that is left inside the root, so we will be multiplying. 3 3 is 9, it will be 9,000 meter or centimeter square. Okay, that will be our area for the
Square.
Okay, 9,000 centimeter square. This will be the area of this given triangle. For the sides ratio से हमने पहले side find out करना है, then we can find it by using Heron's formula. Okay, so let us see the sixth question. Okay, what is there in question number 6? An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. So first we will be drawing an isosceles triangle as given in the question. We will draw the isosceles triangle. You know, for isosceles triangle, two of the sides are equal. That means if this A, B, C I am taking as isosceles, I can take this side and this side as equal. It is given in the question that it is a isosceles triangle. Okay, then what is given? Its perimeter. Perimeter is 30 centimeter. Perimeter we are already given with, that is 30 centimeter. Then we are given with each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle, each of its equal side. Okay, so that means this side is 12 centimeter, this side is 12 centimeter, and we need to find the perimeter. बहुत simple है. Suppose this is A you are taking, this is B you are taking, this side you can take as C. So perimeter of a triangle, you know, it is A plus B plus C equal to, you can take 30. Then how much is A given? 12. B is given 12. Because in the question it is said that each of the equal side, that means जो equal side है वो 12 centimeter है. है ना. So you can take both the equal side as 12 centimeter, then you can find A is 12 plus B is 12 plus C you can find from here. So C will be how much? 12 plus 12,
6, sir.
24. That
Centimeter.
means it will be 30 minus 24. It will be 6 centimeter. Now you are having all the three sides of a triangle. So first find the semi perimeter. That means S. It will be half of perimeter. That means 15 centimeter. Okay, because 30 is perimeter, na. So S will be 15. So now you can find the area very easily. Under root it will be 15, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. So just find it. It will be how much? 15 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 15 minus 6, you will get 9. So do the prime factorization of 15. It will be 3 into 5. Then this is already 3 into 3. Then for 9 it will be 3 into 3. So now take the common. See, this 3 and this 3 are forming pair. This 3 and this 3 are forming pair. This 5 is not forming any pair, so we will write 5. This 3 is also not forming pair, so we will write this 3. So we are left with 3 3 is 9 under root 15 centimeter square. Okay, this is the answer we are getting, 9 under root 15, but you need to find the value of under root 15 also. For up to 2 decimal you can find. I told you how to find up to 2 decimal, na? So you will take 15, then put decimal point here. Okay, and after the decimal take 4 zeros, because when you will put decimal, na, you will be getting in pairs, number of zeros in pairs. So just go 3 3 ja 9, because if I will take 4 4, na, it will be 4 4 ja 16. That means it will be more than 15. 15 से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Okay, so we will be taking close to 15 or equal to, but सबसे ज़्यादा क्लोज क्या आएगा? 3 का ही आएगा. 3 3 जा 9. Then we are left with 15 minus 9, it will be 6. We will take decimal here, then we will take number of zeros, 2 number of zeros. So 3 plus 3, it will be 6. Then it will go on 9 6 ja 54. 9 9 ja no, on 9 it will not go. 8 8 ja 64. Okay, 8 पे जा सकते हैं. 8 8 ja 64. See, same number we have to put. The same number we will be putting here and here. So 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry. 8 6 ja 48. 48 plus 6, it will be 54. So 10 minus 4, it will be 6, and 9 minus 4, it will be 5. Now again 2 zeros we are having. So we will take these 2 zeros also that are in pairs. Okay, now just see, for this 38, what is the double of this 38? We are having 76. Okay, so what number we will be putting? Now just see, 8 7 ja 56, it will be more. So 7, if we will put 7, then 7 7 ja 49, 4 carry. 7 6 ja 42 plus 4, it will be 46. 4 carry. 7 7 ja 49, 49 plus 4, 53. So that means we are getting our answer 3.87. Up to 2 decimal digits you can find. 2 decimal digits tak find out karo, that's enough. So it will be 9 multiplied by 3.87. When you will find the value of under root, na, it will be 3.87. So that means now multiply it. 9 7 ja 63, 6 carry. 9 8 ja 72 plus 6, it will be 78. Then decimal, 9 3 ja 27 plus 7, it will be 34.83 centimeter square. So this will be your answer. That's how you will be finding. So in this question you can see we are given with 2 equal sides of isosceles triangle and perimeter was also given. So we have find the third one first. पहले हमने third side find out किया. Then we have find the semi perimeter. Then by using Heron's formula to find the area of triangle, we can find the area of triangle. Now suppose you are given with you are given with a rhombus, no, rhombus, trapezium. Okay, you are given with a trapezium, suppose, like this. You know the thing, in a trapezium, two of the sides are parallel, A, B, C, C, D. Okay, A, B and C, D are parallel. Okay, its non-parallel side are given. Actually, this is question that is given in your textbook also. I'll just see the sides, 25, 10, 14, 13. Okay. So this side is given 10 centimeter, this side is given 25 centimeter, this side is given 13 centimeter, and this side is given 14 centimeter. So the question for you is, find the area of this field. इस field का area find out करना है. Okay, how you will find the area of this field? Any idea, anyone? So you have joined this BD, that's correct, है ना? Then this is divided into two triangles, but the problem is still we can't find this BD. हम इस BD को find out नहीं कर सकते. So in place of joining this BD, इस BD को join करने की बजाय what we will be doing, we will draw this parallel line. Okay, हम ये parallel line, it is parallel to AD, exactly parallel to AD. So if I am taking this BE, this point as E, so I am drawing BE parallel to AD. So in construction you can write, draw BE parallel to AD. Now if I have taken this BE parallel to AD, see this AB and DE will be equal because it has become a parallelogram. ये ABED ये क्या बन गया है? ABED is a parallelogram now. क्यों है ये parallelogram? Because AB is parallel to DE, that is already given. वो तो given था because these two sides are parallel. ये वाली side और ये वाली side parallel है. And now we have constructed this line parallel to this one. हमने ये दोनों line भी parallel construct किए हैं. That means this figure जो हमारे पास ये वाली figure है ना, ABED, ये वाली figure अब एक parallelogram बन गई है ना? सो पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. दैट थिंग ऑल्सो यू नो कि अगर एक पैरेललोग्राम है, इट्स अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. दैट मीन्स दिस इज 10 सेंटीमीटर, सो इट विल बी 10 सेंटीमीटर. इफ AD is 13 centimeter, this BE will be 13 centimeter. Now just see, if this complete side, this one CD is 25 and DE is 10, that means this EC will be how much? This EC will be 15 centimeter. Now we are having this triangle. हमारे पास ये वाला जो triangle है ना, triangle BEC, this one. Okay. So in this triangle BEC, if you will find its area for area of triangle BEC, triangle BEC का area find out करेंगे हम. We will find out S. So S will be 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. So it will be how much? 13, 14, 15. So 15, 15, 30, 30, 42 divided by 2, it will be 21 centimeter. That means S is 21. So we can find its area. Area of triangle BEC. So it will be under root 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14. Okay. So it will be under root 21 multiply 21 minus 13, it will be 8, 21 minus 15, it will be 6, 21 minus 14, it will be 7. So that means the area of the triangle we are getting is 3 into 7. I am doing the prime factorization. For 21 we can write 3 into 7. For 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2. For this 6 we can write 2 into 3. And for this 7 we will be writing 7 only. So now we will be forming the pairs. This 3 and this 3 is forming pair. This 7 is forming pair with this 7. These two are forming pair. These two are forming pair. So that means the area we are getting is 3 7 ja 21, 2 ja 42, 2 ja 84. 84 centimeter square. So this is the area we are getting, sorry, meter square, 84 meter square. This is the area we are getting for the triangle. ये जो ट्राइंगल है ना BEC, इसका एरिया हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. तो ये आ रहे हैं हमारे पास एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एज, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BEC कितना आया, 84 मीटर स्क्वायर. Okay, so now we are having this area for this triangle na, 84 meter square. Now just see one thing, if I draw a height inside this triangle, this one, this height suppose I am taking of this triangle. Now अगर मैं फिर से एक चीज लिखता हूँ, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BEC जो हम फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BEC हमने फाइंड आउट किया, इट इज 84 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो इफ आई एम राइटिंग हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, व्हाट बेस आई विल बी टेकिंग दिस टाइम? आई एम टेकिंग EC ना, इट विल बी 15 एंड हाइट दिस H I will be taking as height, it will be equal to 84. So H will be equal to 84 multiplied by 2 divided by 15. You can cancel it out, 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24. So it will be 28 2 ja 56 divided by 5. So it will be 5 1 ja 11.2 centimeter, sorry, meter. That means this height is coming as 11.2 meter. Now just forget everything and look this trapezium ABCD. अब पूरे trapezium की बात करते हैं, trapezium ABCD. You know the area of trapezium, how to find the area of trapezium? It is half into height into A plus B. A plus B is what? The sum of its parallel side. H is what? Height and half. This is the formula we use to find the area of trapezium. So now we are having everything. Height for the trapezium we are having, sum of parallel sides we can find. So it will be half into 11.2 multiply. Then sum of the parallel side, it will be 10 plus 25. 10 plus 25. So that means half into 11.2 multiplied by 35. So I will take this decimal out, it will be 10 here, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, then 2 से फिर से cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 28 into 7 we are getting. So 7 8 ja 56, 7 2 ja 14, 196. 196 meter square we are getting the area of the trapezium that we required. जो हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग में ये वाली फिगर थी ना कुछ इस तरह की. So the area we are getting is 196 meter square. Okay, so this is how you will be solving. This is really very important question for you. बहुत important है ये वाला. Just you need to focus on that you will be drawing a parallel side, so it will become a parallelogram first. Then you will be finding the area of this triangle. Then with the area of triangle, by using the area of triangle, you will be finding what? The height of the triangle. That height of the triangle will also work as the height of the trapezium. जो height हम triangle की find out कर रहे हैं, it will work as the height of trapezium also. So then you can find your area of this given figures.